What's up everybody, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to buy or sell NFTs on OpenSea. So first thing we need to do, we need to go to OpenSea.io and then we need to connect our wallet. So to do that, in the top right corner you'll see a little wallet, just press on it. For this video tutorial I'm going to be using metamask, but they also support Coinbase wallet. You can use Wallet Connect and also Phantom and Glow. And there are more options as well. As you can see, there is a list of different wallets that they support. I'm going to use MetaMask, so I'll just press on it. If you have more than one wallet, then this list is going to appear. If you have just one, then there is going to be a check mark next to it, and then press on next and then connect. Once wallet is connected, it's going to show you your balance, and then we can go back here and now we can search for collection. Let's try this one, Zoomer High School. Then once this window is going to appear, then we need to choose NFT. Just press on which one you like. Then this window is going to appear. Then we need to press on buy now. Then you'll get this message. We need to put a check mark. And then one more time, I agree to OpenSea terms of service. And then check out. And then this window is going to appear. And right here, you'll have to press on sign. Once you do that, then it's going to charge your wallet and you will receive your NFT in your wallet. I'm gonna press cancel because I'm not gonna buy it. I already have this collection. If I would have pressed sign, then I would just have to confirm and then I would make a purchase. I'm gonna reject for right now and I'm gonna close. So let's say, for example, you purchase and now you wanna see what kind of NFT you have in your wallet. Then you'll have to press on this little circle and then click on your profile. And it's going to show you every single NFT that you have in your profile. And now I'm going to show you how to sell one. So let's say, for example, we would like to sell the one we just purchased. Then we can just press on it. This window is going to appear. We need to press on sell. Right here, we need to set the amount, how much we would like to sell. Let's say 0.05. Then scroll down, complete listing. And as you can see right here, service fee and creators fee. Then this window is gonna appear, and in here same thing, we need to scroll down and we need to confirm. This is how much total it's gonna cost for me to list this NFT, but this amount could be different, depends on network congestion. And once you press on confirm, there's gonna be another confirmation that you'll have to do. Again, you'll have to press either sign or confirm, and then this process is gonna go through and your NFT is gonna be listed on OpenSea. And right now I'm gonna press reject because I'm not trying to sell this NFT. That's how you buy or sell your NFTs. And if you go back here, profile, that's how you view what you have in your wallet. And this is pretty much it. If this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.